So today I wanted to show you how to make tile maps in Defold. First, I'm just going to open up a desktop game, call it tutorial game, and we're just going to create a new project. And basically what I'm going to do here is I'm going to make a new folder. We'll just click on tutorial game. We'll go new folder, call it my assets, and we're going to create that folder. And within this side of this folder, we want to drag our tile map. Um, First, we'll just open the show in desktop so we can see our folder, and then we'll open our tile map, which is this one for me. If you want to see what it looks like, this is all it looks like. It looks like a forest. And so now we can just exit out of both these tabs. If we open my assets, our forest is right inside. And now what we can do is we can create new file, and we can call this tile source. We'll call this forest. So we have forest tile source. Now we need to drag an image onto here, and we're just going to drag in our tile set. And now you're seeing that we have all our tiles already pre-organized. If you need to adjust the size of the tile, you can go 32 by 32, which you'll see will make bigger tile sizes. But we're just going to go back to 16 by 16 to adjust back to the size of our tiles. And what we can do from there is we can create another new file, and we'll call this is going to be a tile map. We'll just call this forest map. Create tile map, and then our tile source is going to be our tile source that we just created. And now we can edit the layers. And if you press space, you can select a single tile and drag it in, or you can press space and we can select a whole block and we can drag it in like that. And yeah, that's how you create your tile maps. And one last thing we can do is we can go to our main, grab collection. We already have a game object, a default in here. We can just delete that. And then we can add game object. And now we can also add a component file, which is going to be our forest tile map. And that is our tile map. You can drag it around just so that the view is correct for whatever program you're working on, but that is pretty easy. I hope this helped you.